Being able to get hands-on experience while trying to discover your future can be such a benefit, and something that is really encouraged at Mohawk College with their experiential learning program. Great to have Jason Peng, who heads up that program and overall about experiential learning. And we're getting closer to open houses starting soon.
That's right, absolutely.
Okay, first one comes up on
October 28th.
Okay, we'll get back to the open houses.
Great.
Experiential learning. When I hear that, I think co-op?
Yes. So at its core, experiential learning is just an educational activity, and it allows students to learn while doing something, right? So what we try to aim to do is expose them to either a workplace or maybe a simulated workplace. And so they get an opportunity to just develop their employability skills, their interpersonal skills, and make that transition into their careers ever so more easier.
This is a simple question, but how important is that, like, before you get into the workforce? What are some of the benefits of it?
Absolutely. So some of the benefits for experiential learning obviously is to develop some of those skills, those employability skills that we talked about, right? Those interpersonal skills, but also to kind of create or develop a strong professional network before students graduate. And so that's a huge benefit.
That's the biggest thing, because then when you're done, you're just like, well, I work there, maybe I can give them a call, and they know how I work already.
Yes.
So that would maybe get my foot in the door ahead of another applicant, I guess.
Absolutely. It's an easy transition to full-time work.
Okay. Is this happening in universities too?
It is.
How different is it from colleges to universities?
Absolutely. So there are a lot of different forms of experiential learning, and it occurs both at the college level but at the university level as well. Okay. So different forms of experiential learning include maybe work-integrated learning like clinicals, field placements, apprenticeships, and even cooperative education programs.
How many programs do we have experiential learning in?
So at Mohawk College, we have, across all of our different programs of study, we have 13 different forms of experiential learning. So that might include things like labs, simulations, capstone projects, and the work-integrated learning like co-op education.
Right. You want to highlight, because there's some new spaces, some exciting things happening at Mohawk that you wanted to kind of highlight.
Yes, absolutely. So we do have actually a brand new space in our Institute for Applied Health Sciences, which is our McMaster campus.
Right, okay.
We have the Center for Integrated and Advanced Medical Imaging, and students at Mohawk's postgraduate MRI program, they get an opportunity to train on this really new, this cool advanced MRI machine. And actually Mohawk and McMaster have partnered to establish this center. And we work actually with our local hospital networks, including Hamilton Health Sciences and St. Joe's. We take on clinical cases, we do applied research projects, as well as the additional educational training that we offer our students.
Yeah, because that's so crucial to be having Mohawk in this town and having Hamilton Health Sciences and having McMaster.
Exactly.
And you guys are just all getting along.
Yes, exactly.
Helping each other
it's great collaboration.
and informing and educating the future.
That's right.
Moving forward.
That's right.
When it comes to co-ops, like are people coming into college, because they're coming in pretty young? Some might not even have work experience.
Absolutely.
How important is that, like, to get that job and even like going out and interviewing for jobs?
Absolutely. It's really great experience for our students because, like you said, we have a ton of students from a diverse population, some with experience, some without work experience. So co-op education is a really great opportunity for them to even test out different career choices, different industries, right? See what it is they like to do, maybe what it is they don't like to do. So it's a great testing zone, if you will.
Open houses are important to be able to, we can talk about it all we want, but like to be able to see it and be able to touch it themselves is crucial. And now we're back to in-person open houses.
That's right.
So how many open houses do we have?
We have 4 different open houses at Mohawk College. They're coming up really, really soon. 4 different campuses, right? So we have on October 28th, which is a Saturday, the open house for the Institute for Applied Health Sciences. That is our McMaster location campus. The weekend after that, on Saturday, November 4th, we have our main Fennel campus open house. We have another open house at the Center for Aviation Technology, which is going to be Tuesday, November 7th. And our final open house at Stony Creek campus for skilled trades is going to be Wednesday, November 8th.
Okay. So, do you need to book a spot?
No.
You can just show up.
You can show up, and we invite everyone, all members of the public, to come out, check out our campuses, take a campus tour, and they can just show up. They don't have to register or anything like that.
Okay. Here's the thing too. Oh, coming up actually, Emily Vukovic is going to explore Mohawk College's campus, checking out some of the programs that they have to offer. So this is kind of cool. We can do this is kind of a teaser to what Emily's going to be doing, doing some hands-on stuff. And I've been there many times out in the community. Being able to get that hands-on application is really important. Okay, and I got it right. Experiential.
Experiential learning.
Experiential learning. Jason, thank you, Annette. Yes, yeah. Oh, Brian, oh, go on. Yeah, good stuff. Thanks, Jason. Good stuff. Good luck with the open houses.
Thank you.